Complete and total strangers often come up to us and ask, "Hey Mathews Brothers, why are your products only available through better lumberyards and window professionals? What's up with that?" Of course, we don't answer them since we're not supposed to talk to strangers. But if we did know them, we'd tell them that it's for two very good reasons. First, unlike your spouse, windows are generally a once-in-a-lifetime decision, so it makes sense to consult a competent professional, not just your good buddy Dave. Second, the best windows in the world, even wicked awesome made windows, won't perform as promised if they're not correctly installed. Without proper installation, you're not getting the full value from your investment. That's why Mathews Brothers only partners with better lumberyards and window professionals, and it's why you can't get our windows and doors from just anyone who pops up on the web. But take heart, you can find that special someone who will give you a lifetime of happiness, at least as far as windows go, but only at better lumberyards and window professionals or on the web at MathewsBrothers.com. Mathews Brothers with one T, America's oldest window manufacturer.